Do you ever have so many marketing deadlines that you just don't know how to keep track?
Yeah, me too. Get your hands on the PosterMyWall Content Planner. This bad boy lets you keep track of everything in one place. Create, schedule, publish, and track your results for both email and social media. No more switching between one app for design, another for email, and a third for scheduling. I'm going to walk you through the whole shebang and tell you everything the Content Planner can do for you. To access it, click on My Stuff and you'll find the tab for Content Planner on the left. You'll be able to see all of your scheduled emails and social media posts. Now add events to your calendar. The calendar comes preloaded with holidays and events, but you can add your own custom events too. Now that it's on the calendar, you can't forget to make content for it. And you can also add all your non-internet marketing activities here too. If you want to view just some of your scheduled activities, filters have you covered. And no, we don't mean the Instagram kind. Once you see the gaps in your calendar, get to work on scheduling new emails and social media posts. You can pick and schedule a design that's already created without leaving the content planner. Or if you schedule something directly from the editor, it will automatically show up on your calendar. And if you make a mistake, just reschedule or delete. Content Planner is a PosterMyWall Premium Plus feature. Try it today and let us know what you think.